Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of Numpy and it is part 12. And guys, we are discussing Numpy operations. So in this lecture we are going to discuss Numpy ravel function. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss this function. So basically this ravel function is used to change a two-dimensional array or a multi-dimensional array into a contiguous flattened array, or we can say one-dimensional array. The returned array has the same data type as the source array or input array. Now let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of this function. So here it is the syntax of this function, and mainly there are two parameters in this function, x and order. And x is an array like. So this parameter defines the input array which we want to change in a contiguous flattened array, or we can say in a one-dimensional array. The array elements are read in the order specified by the order parameter and packed as a 1D array. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss order parameters. So guys, there are three order parameters in this ravel function, C, F and K, and it is an optional parameter. So if we set the order parameter to C, then it means the array gets flattened in row measure order, and by default order parameter is C. And if F is set, then array gets flattened in column measure order. And the last order is K, which flattens the array in the same order in which the elements occurred in the memory. So guys, let me open up the Jupyter notebook and I will show you the working of this ravel function. So guys, in this lecture we are going to learn ravel function. So that's why I have imported numpy as np, and now guys I am going to create a two-dimensional array. So let's create it. So guys, I have created a two-dimensional array of 3 cross 3, and now I am going to print it. So output will be like this. So guys, now I am going to use ravel function to convert this two-dimensional array to the one-dimensional array. So let's do this. So in this ravel function I am going to pass this two-dimensional array A, and now I am going to print this V. So now if I run this script, it will give you the one-dimensional array, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So guys, now I am going to add another parameter to this function ravel. So let's add order parameter, and now if I set C to it and now run this script, then it will give you one-dimensional array in row measure order. And now guys, if I set F to it and run this script, then it will give you one-dimensional array as column measure. And now guys, if I set K to it and run this script, then it is basically giving one-dimensional array. So it is basically giving array in the same order in which the elements occurred in the memory. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.